Dear students, now we are in the chapter of circles. Until yesterday we have learned exercise 1E, Roman number 2 sums. Roman number 3 first sum also I explained in previous class. I think this is the last class of the IPE circles chapter. Roman number 2, two questions completed. Let us discuss about third question. Here I had written the schedule. Circles exercise 1E, Roman number 2, 3, 4, Roman number 3, 2, 1 and 5, 6. If we complete these sums, we can say that circle chapter will be finished. So let us going to discuss about most IMP 7 mark question. This is the heart of the question of the circle chapter. Very important question. 7 marks question. Let us discuss about the sum. Find the direct common tangents. Find the direct common tangents of find the direct common tangents of the circles x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. Some students used to remember this sum as 100 sum because constant 100 here and constant 100 here, and the letters are same, numbers are same, 22, 4, just symbols only changed. This is the most IMP question for IPE. Now let us discuss about the solution. Let us write given circles. Given circles x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0. Here we can write C1. C1 means center 1. It is minus 11 comma 2. R1 root of d square plus f square minus c concept to 121 plus 4 plus 100. 121 plus 4, 125 plus 100, 225, 225 root is 15. R1 is 15. Next, another circle. Given circle x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equal to 0. You can write here C1 is equal to 11 comma minus 2 and R2 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, 121 plus 4 minus 100. So 125 minus 100, 25 root is 5. Now R1 is to R2 we can write. R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2 you can write as 15 is to 5. Therefore 3 is to 1. He is asking find the direct common tangent of two circles. To calculate the direct common tangents, we should calculate the point of intersection of tangents is ECS, external center of similitude. Formula R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2 and R1 y2 minus R2 by R1 minus R2. So C1 C2 is equal to what becomes C1 C2. Of course, no need to calculate. If you calculate also, you will be getting the answer as C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. C1 C2 the distance between 11 plus 11. No need to calculate. 11 plus 11, 22. Here only 22. C1 C2 the distance with 22 and 2 plus 2. 22 whole square is 484 and 2 plus 2 4 square is 16. 16 plus 484 500. 500 can be written as 500 can be written as 100 into 5. So 10 root 5. 500 can be written as 100 into 5. So 10 root 5. Now you can write R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. R1 plus R2 whole square, 20 whole square is 400, C1 C2 10 root 5 whole square is root 500. So 500 greater than 400, so C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, therefore 4 tangents can be drawn. C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, therefore 4 tangents can be drawn. 2 transverse common tangents and 2 direct common tangents. 4 tangents can be drawn. Draw a diagram like this. Put here P. X1 comma Y1 is ECS. Here P is ECS. External center of similitude. The ECS divide the line joining center C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. External A. Now think this one as X1 comma Y1 minus 11 comma 2. This one as X2 comma Y2. So ECS I am writing here. ECS is equal to, let us write the formula R1 X2 minus R2 X1. R1 X2 minus R2 X1 by R1 minus R2, comma R1 Y2 minus R2 Y1 by R1 minus R2. That is equal to ECS, put P here. P ECS X1 comma Y1 is equal to, what is the R1? Don't write 15 here, already I had written 3. 3x2, R1 x2. So 3 into 11. R1 x2 minus R2 x1. So 1 into minus 11. By R1 minus R2, 3 minus 1. R1 by 2, 3 into minus 2. Minus R2 y1, 1 into 2. Whole by 3 minus 1 is equal to, here 3 11s are 33, 33 plus 11, 44, 44 by 2, 22. So this is 22 comma minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 by 2 minus 4. 22 comma minus 4 is the external center of similitude we got. 22 comma minus 4. Using the external center of similitude, pair of tangents, we can use the formula S1 square equal to S into S11. Later by factorization we will get the 2 tangents. It is so lengthy method. I want to discuss with you easy method, that let this slope of tangent here, slope of tangent is m. Slope is equal to m I am writing. Let the slope of DCT be m. Depends upon slope of DCT, depends upon the slope m, and using the x1 comma y1 we can calculate the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. After writing the equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, apply the condition of tangency of the circle. Then the condition of tangency is r is equal to d. You can use the condition of tangency for first circle or second circle, that is your wish, no problem. Use r is equal to d. This is r, this is d. What is r? Radius of first circle. What is d? Distance between perpendicular distance from the center 1 to the whatever the tangent you are thinking. Now let m writing. Let m be the slope of. Let m be the slope of DCT. That implies equation of tangent. Students, don't get confused. Sir, already you had written x1 comma y1. Sir, why did you write x1 comma y1? Like that you don't ask, no need to ask, because this is for equation of tangent, this is for simply r1 x2. So don't get confused. That equation of tangent formula I am writing here using y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this can be written as y minus, here y1 means plus 4. Y plus 4 is equal to m means m only. Here you write as x minus 22. That implies you can write the line as mx minus y. This one taken this side, it becomes mx minus y minus 22. Mx minus y minus 22m minus 4. Minus 22m minus 4 equal to 0. Let it be first equation. If, write the condition, if 1 is tangent to circle 1, if 1 is tangent to circle 1, using r is equal to d. 1 is tangent to circle 1 using r is equal to d. So what is r, what is d? R is radius of the circle, whatever you are thinking the circle. If you take first circle, radius of first circle you should consider. If you take second circle, radius of second circle you should consider. Let us consider first one. 15 is equal to D. What is the center one? 11 comma minus 2. From 11 comma minus 2, this one perpendicular you should calculate. 11 into m minus 2 into minus 1 minus 20 into m minus 4 whole by root of m square plus 1. That implies, you can write here 15 is equal to 11m minus 22m minus 33m minus 2, because this is minus 4 plus 2 by root m square plus 1. If you take, I think if you take second one, it is better, using the tangent of, if 1 is tangent to circle 2, you write. Using r is equal to d, it is okay. Now let us going to discuss about the 33 for 22 minus 4, everything okay. Y minus 4, y plus 4 equal to m into x minus 22, mx minus y minus 4 minus 22. Okay. Mx minus y minus 22 minus 2. Let us use second circle. I think it is better. Second circle radius is 5. 5 you put second circle center. So this is C2. M into 11 minus 2 into minus 1. I think that one only you have taken. Minus 22m. Minus 22m minus 4 by root of m square plus 1. That implies 5 is equal to 11m minus 22m. You write here minus 11m. Minus plus 2 minus 4, this is minus 2. Okay. By root of m square plus 1. That implies, you can write here, you write squaring on both sides. So it becomes 25m square plus 25 is equal to 121m square plus 2 11s are 22, 22 2s are 44m plus 4. That implies 25m square taken this side, it becomes 96m square plus 44m, okay, minus 21 equal to 0. By splitting the middle term, 96m square plus this is 96 into 21 becomes 2016. 96 into 21. Let us write the factors of 96 and 21. 96 into 21, 1 6 are 1, this is 9, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 9 are 18, 1 19, 6 9 to 11, 2 0 1 6, yes, 96 into 21. So splitting the middle term, 44 we should get like this. So 72 into 28, 8 to the 16, 1 8 7 56, 157, and this is 144. So this is 6 7 4 11 1 4 1 5 5 10 like this 2 0 1 6. So 72 minus 28 is the factorization, splitting the middle term. 72 m minus 28 m minus 21 equal to 0. It is the split in the middle term. Now the term plus you can write by taking 24th table common. 24m you can write as 4m plus 3 minus here 7 you can take common 4m plus 3 equal to 0. That implies 24m minus 7. So you can take common 24m minus 7 into 4m plus 3. 24m minus 7 into 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 7 by 24 a case. This is a case and m is equal to minus 3 by 4. Why did you get two slopes? Because two tangent. This is for a tangent, this is for another tangent. For a tangent 7 by 24 we got, and for another tangent minus 3 by 4 we got. We can substitute the value in this one. Y minus y1 is equal to here. You should write, yes, here you put this one 1. You substitute in 1, then you will be getting the answer direct common tangents using the slopes. Case 1 I am writing. If m is equal to 7 by 24, from 1 you write, from 1, y plus 4 is equal to 7 by 24 into x minus 22. By taking cross multiplication, 24y plus 96, 24y plus 96 is equal to 7x minus 154. Yes, 154. 7x minus 154. That implies, taken that letter this side, that term, so 7x minus 24y minus 250 equal to 0. This is an equation of direct common tangent. This is case 1. Next you can write case 2. Case 2, that is, if m is equal to minus 3 by 4, substitute the value from 1, again you can write, from 1. From 1. From 1 it becomes y minus y1 means here y plus 4. Y plus 4 is equal to the value slope minus 3 by 4. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 22. Taking cross multiplication, you get here 4y plus 16 is equal to 3 minus 3x plus 66. That implies that 3x, this one taken this side, 3x minus 4y plus 50 equal to 0. Therefore, or hence you can write, hence required equations of direct common tangents. Required equations of direct common tangents are required equations of direct common tangents are 7x minus 24y minus 250 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 50 equal to 0. You should write until here, even though the sum given in exams also. This is the way to write. Don't forget, student, this is the most IMP 7 marks question. Roman number 2, third question completed. Depends upon the concept. Let us going to discuss about Roman number 2, fourth question. There he asked exercise. Maybe TCT means transverse common tangents. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles. Problem number 2, fourth question. Find the equations of transverse common tangents. Find the equations of transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. First circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 20 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. X square plus y square minus plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. You should calculate the equation of transverse common tangents. Let us consider like this given circles. Given circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. Let us write here C1, center 1 is equal to 2 comma 5 and R1 equal to root of g square plus f square minus c 4 plus 25, 29, 29 minus 28, 1. Next circle you write x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Using this circle you write C1. C1 is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2. C1, this is not C1, this is C2. C2 is equal to minus 2 comma 3 and R2 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c 4 plus 9 minus 4, so it is 3. R2 equal to 3. Now you can write R1 is to R2. There is no simplify. 1 is to 3 you write. Draw diagram like this. C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2. No need to calculate because we asked directly the transverse common tangents. These are the shape of transverse common tangent. This is P. Here P let x1 comma y1. P, whenever the point P lies inside of the circle, then we should understand as P x1 comma y1 is the internal center of similitude. Now, is ICS you write. ICS formula P is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. ICS formula R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2 and R1 y2 plus R2 m by R1 plus R2. Now you can write here R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2 comma R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. Using this one, we can write as P x1 comma y1 notation using the center 1 and center 2. This is x1 comma y1 C1 and this is x2 comma y2 C2. R1 x2, what is R1? 1 into minus 2 plus R2 3 into 2 whole by R1 plus R2 is 1 plus 3. R1 y2, so 1 into 3 plus R2 y1 3 into 5. 3 into 5 this is by R1 plus R2 1 plus 3. Here you can write 6 minus 2 4. 4 by 4 is 1 and 3 plus 15. 18 by 4 is 9 by 2. This is also IMP 7 mark question. 1 comma 9 by 2 is point of intersection here. Now let the slope of TCT, using the same model, you can write let the slope of TCT means transverse common tangent. Slope of TCT be m. That implies equation of TCT. Equation of TCT is, we can write as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 9 by 2 is equal to m into x minus 1, you can write. By taking LCM this one as, you can write here 2y minus 9 is equal to 2mx minus 2m. That implies first x coef I am writing as 2mx minus 2y plus 9 minus 2m. This one taken this side. Then you can write as plus 9 minus 2m equal to 0. If this is a tangent to circle, using the condition r is equal to d. Use the condition that r is equal to d for first circle or second circle, anything. I think here also second one is there. Second one is easy. If this line is a tangent, put here 1 name, this line 1. If this line is a tangent to 2, if this line is tangent to 2, using r is equal to d. Using r is equal to d. What is r? Radius of second circle. It is 3. What is d? Perpendicular is from center to the line. So 3 is equal to center of 2 minus 2. So 2m into minus 2. 2m into minus 2 into 3 plus 9 minus 2m whole by power modulus whole by root of 4m square plus 4. 4m square plus 4. That implies 3 is equal to here minus 4m minus 2m minus 6m. 9 minus 6 minus 3. No, plus 3. Minus 6m plus 3 by root of 4m square plus 4. Minus 4m minus 2m minus 6m. 9 minus 6 plus 3. You can take common 3, then it becomes 1 is equal to, here you can write as 1 minus 2m over modulus. 1 minus 2m by root of 4m square plus 4. Root of 4m square plus 4. Taking cross multiplication and squaring on both sides you do. Whenever you are doing for squaring on both sides, LHS you can write as 4m square plus 4, and RHS you can write as here 1 minus 4m plus 4m square. Don't cut off 4m square and 4m square, students. One theory is there. The theory I want to discuss with you. Here you can write 4m square minus 4m square. Even though you are getting the value 0, you don't get cancelled, because the theory depends upon the quadratic equation I want to discuss with you. Minus 4m taken this side becomes plus 4 and plus 3 equal to 0 here. Now you should write here as m square into 0. M square into 0 plus 4m minus 3 equal to 0. Since here you should write this is a quadratic equation. Since coef of m square, since coef of m square equal to 0 in this QE, in this quadratic equation, since coef of m square is equal to 0, slope m does not define, because ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation should be in the form of ax plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Therefore, absolutely we can say that a not equal to 0. That is why slope m does not define. If a is equal to 0, what will happen? It is not quadratic equation. Whenever it is not quadratic equation, the value will not be defined. So that is why I said the question you follow 4m square is there. Don't cut off 4m square. Simply you should write like this: 4m square minus 4m square. Even though you are getting the value 0, you should write m square into 0. That's all. Whenever you are getting coefficient of m square equal to 0, slope m does not defined. Slope m does not defined. Every student used to get confused that whenever m square coefficient is 0, then m equal to 0. Wrong, students, you should not think like that. Whenever coefficient of m square equal to 0, slope does not define. Where the slope does not define, the does not define slope can be indicated as infinity. That implies you can try to understand that m equal to 1 by 0 or 2 by 0 or anything. Whenever you had written m equal to 0, the answer will be changed. So don't forget that m is equal to 1 by 0. This is a case. And another case. Now case 1 I had written. Here put side heading case 1. Case 2. Case 2 you can write directly that 4m minus 3 equal to 0 here. So you can write directly that m is equal to 3 by 4. There is no question of getting confused. Now equation of equation of TCT, equation of transverse common tangent using m is equal to 1 by 0. That implies using the value here y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. Y minus 9 by 2. Y minus 9 by 2 equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. Whenever taking cross multiplication, this becomes 0. But whenever you put m is equal to 0, you get the line y is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, x minus 1 equal to 0 you write. You should observe very important thing in this sum. That is why this is IMP 7 marks question. Equation of TCT I am writing using. Equation of TCT using m is equal to 3 by 4. It is direct only. You can write as y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 into x minus 1. That implies you can write here 2y minus 9 is equal to 6 by 4, 3 by 2. Okay, here 2 is there. Here 3 by 4 into x minus 1. Taking cross multiplication like this. 2 2s are 4y. Minus 18 is equal to 4y minus 18 equal to 3x minus 3. That implies 3x minus 4y. Taken this side. 3x minus 4y. This is minus 3 by 4 or plus 3 by 4. Students, this is 4m plus 3. So it is minus 3 by 4. So it is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 plus 3. It becomes plus 21. 3x minus 4y plus 21 equal to 0. At last we should write hence required equation of transverse common tangents. Y minus, directly I am writing x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 21 equal to 0. This is the most IMP question, 7 marks in IPE. We have completed Roman number 3, 4, very important questions. What DCT and DCT both we have discussed. In Roman number 3, in first question, he given as find all direct common tangents. Let us going to discuss about first question, Roman number 2, Roman number 3. First question I said in previous class. Roman number 3, second question. Find all common tangents. Find all common tangents of pair of circles. Pair of circles. First one, x square plus y square equal to 9. Second one, x square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 49 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 16. Better to do that sum, students, directly. Second sum I say x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4, minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Let us write given circles. Given circles. First one, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Let us write C1 here. C1 equal to minus 2 comma minus 1, and R1 equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, 4 plus 1 plus 4, it is 3. Next you take the second circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Let us write C2 here. C2 is here 2 comma 1, and R2 is here root of g square plus f square minus c, 4 plus 1 minus 4, so it is 1. We should calculate all common tangents. So you should consider TCT and DCT also. Put here P, this is P and this is P. Let us finish ICS. ICS P is equal to, using the formula R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R plus R2 and R1 2 plus R2 R plus R2. What is R1 here? 3. 3 into 2, 6. R1 x2, this is 3 into 2, 6 plus R2 x1. So minus 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 by 4, it is 1. Next, R1 by 2. 3 into 1, 3. Plus, so 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3 plus 1. So 2 by 3 plus 1 is 1 by 2. R1 by 2 plus R2 by 1. R1 by 2, so R1 3 into 1 plus R2 by 1 means here 1 into minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, 1, 1 by 2. So P. In the similar way, you calculate Q also. Using R1 by 2, so 3 into 2 minus of minus here becomes plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 minus 1, 4. 8 by 2, it becomes 4. R1 by 2 minus R2 by 1. So 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 minus 1, 4. R1, next R1 by 2, this one. 3, here 1 minus of minus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2, it is 2. Now using this one, let the slope of TCT. Slope of TCT be m, you write. So using, whenever TCT you had written, ICS you should consider. Q means here ECS. ICS y minus 1 by 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. So you can write here 2y minus 1 is equal to 2mx minus 2. 2mx minus 2. That implies, right here as 2mx minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Let this is first equation and slope of that one also we write. Okay, let us finish this one. After completion of ICS, we can write ECS using R is equal to D for first circle. Because if TCT is tangent of first circle, using R is equal to D for first circle. Whenever you are putting R is equal to D, this is first circle, 2m into minus 2. 2m into minus 2, minus 2 into this is C1. Minus 2 into minus 1 over modulus by 4m square plus 4 over root. 4m square plus 4 over root is equal to radius 1 is 3. So here you can write minus 4m. 2mx, here mx minus m. 2mx minus 2m here. 2mx minus 2m. So you should not write like this. You should change here. 2mx minus 2y, 2mx minus 2y minus 2m plus 1. Just a little change is there. 2mx minus 2y. Using this one C1, this becomes minus 4m. This becomes plus 2 minus 2m plus 1 over modulus by root of 4m square plus 4 is equal to 3. Okay. That implies 4 minus 4m minus 6m becomes minus 6m plus 3. Minus 6m plus 3. Minus 6m plus 3 over modulus by root of 4m square plus 4 is equal to 3. 3 cut off. Whenever 3 you are going to get cancelled, you can write here 2m minus 1 whole square. Directly I am writing as 2m square plus 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to 4m square plus 4. 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to 4m square plus 4. By expanding you can write that 4m square plus 4 minus 4m is equal to 4m square plus 4. Again in the similar way. Plus 1, this is 4m square plus 1. So 4m square get cancelled. Don't write like this. In this previous model you write as m square into 0. And here you write as 4m minus 3 equal to 0. And you can write here as a previous sum m is equal to infinity and m is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here you can write as m is equal to minus 3 by 4. TCT you write whenever m is equal to infinity, y minus, use the formula here 1, from 1 I am writing. From 1 you can write here as y minus 1 by 2 is equal to. So TCT I am writing y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. So it becomes x minus 1 equal to 0 or x is equal to 1, simply you write. And again you can write as y minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. So you can write here 2y minus 1 is equal to, 2 will be getting cancelled in 2 times. So 2y minus 1 by 2. So 2y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. 2 will be getting cancelled 2 times. You can write this one as 2y minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. So 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. These are TCT. Now later using ECS equal to 4 comma 2. Let the slope of ECS. Let the slope of ECS is equal to m. Equation of DCT. Y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 4. So you can write this one as mx minus y plus 2 minus 4m. mx minus y plus 2 minus 4m equal to 0. Using r is equal to d for first circle. Using r is equal to d for first circle. So what is r here? 3 is equal to, substitute here, it becomes minus 2m plus 1 plus 2 minus 4m plus 1 plus 2 minus 4m by root of m square plus 1. Here minus 2m minus 4m becomes minus 6m plus 2 plus 2, that's all, plus 3, minus 6m plus 3 because it is 1. It is 1 by root of m square plus 1 over root. So here 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled here once again. Again using this one. Using dct 4 comma 2, y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 4. Okay, let us discuss r1 by 2. Here 1 is equal to, if we get cancelled as minus 2m plus 1. See, we are getting, no, by, okay, not same, m square plus 1. By squaring both sides. By squaring both sides we get, students, 4m square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to m square plus 1. 1 and 1 will be getting cancelled. You can write this one as 3m square. 3m square minus 4m equal to 0. Whenever you take m common, then it can be written as m minus 4, 3m minus 4. Whenever I am taking m common, you can write as m into 3m minus 4 equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 first case, m is equal to 0 first case, and m is equal to 4 by 3 first case. If I am writing, if m is equal to 0, dct is, directly I am writing, substituting in this. dct is y minus 2 equal to 0, that's all. If m is equal to 4 by 3, dct is y minus 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 4. Taking cross multiplication, we get that 3y minus 6 equal to 4x minus 16, and you can write as 4x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. At last you should write, students, this is a tangent, x equal to 1, this is a tangent, and y minus 2 equal to 0, this is a tangent. All 4 tangents you should write. Simply for model I said, students, example sum is there, in exercise also sums are there. Whenever you will prepare in February, then every student used to watch test papers and other guides and everything. Then you may get doubt that sir did not discuss this sum like that. Only for that purpose only I said this sum. This is not at all important in exams. So in objective or in IP or anything, the question will not be asked, never be asked. 4 tangents is not at all there in 7 marks model. Only two separate tangents are there. Only for the purpose only I said you do next sum as homework. Okay, let us going to discuss last sums in next class.